ما شاء الله تبارك الله. ببغاء البارتوليت، ببغاء القزم، اصغر ببغاء بالعالم. يلا غرد. ما شاء الله اللون الازرق.
The bee hummingbird, known as the smallest bird in the world, is truly remarkable. It is found only in Cuba and is often mistaken for bees due to its small size and short beak. This tiny bird measures around 2.4 inches and weighs less than 2 grams. These birds are known for their incredible agility and speed. They can flap their small wings up to 200 times per second, indicating their incredibly fast metabolism. They need to refuel every 10 minutes and consume about 50 times of their body weight each day, just to maintain their normal weight. Bee hummingbirds primarily feed on flower nectar using their long slender beaks, but they also eat small insects like gnat and mosquitoes. Unlike other birds, they have exceptional flying skills, capable of flying straight up, down, backward and even upside down. They hover by moving their wings in a figure of 8 pattern, allowing them to stay still in the air.